In a small, bustling town lived a man named Kiran, known for his tireless work ethic. Kiran owned a small bakery that was always filled with the aroma of freshly baked bread and pastries. Customers loved his creations, but they also noticed that Kiran was often tense, his forehead lined with worry. His bakery was successful, but his heart was restless. Kiran's days were filled with early mornings, long hours of baking, and the constant pressure of running a business. Even at night, when the town was asleep, his mind raced with thoughts of orders, finances, and what the next day would bring. He hadn't laughed in months, and he barely had time to enjoy his meals, let alone relax. One day, an old friend named Arjun visited Kiran. Arjun, a traveler who had seen many places, noticed Kiran's weary face and asked, "Kiran, you've built something wonderful here. But when was the last time you truly rested? You seem like a man carrying the weight of the world on your shoulders." Kiran sighed and replied, "I don't have time to rest, Arjun. There's always work to be done, and if I stop, everything might fall apart." Arjun smiled gently. "Come with me tomorrow morning. I want to show you something that might help." Curious, Kiran agreed. The next morning, Arjun led Kiran to the outskirts of town, where a quiet garden lay hidden behind tall trees. It was a simple place, with a small pond, blooming flowers, and the soft sound of birds chirping. Sunlight streamed through the leaves, casting a golden glow on everything. "Sit here," Arjun said, pointing to a wooden bench near the pond. Kiran hesitated but complied. At first, he fidgeted, his mind filled with thoughts of the bakery. But as minutes passed, he began to notice the gentle ripples in the pond, the rustle of leaves in the breeze, and the warmth of the sun on his face. Slowly, his breathing steadied, and his shoulders relaxed. "What do you feel?" Arjun asked after a while. Kiran looked up, surprised. "I feel lighter. I didn't realize how tense I was." Arjun smiled. "That's the power of being still. Life is like this garden. If you keep digging and planting without stopping to admire the flowers, you'll forget why you started in the first place. Rest isn't a luxury, my friend, it's a necessity." From that day, Kiran made a promise to himself. Every morning, before starting work, he would spend a few minutes in the garden. He would sit quietly, letting his mind settle, and remind himself that life wasn't just about work, it was about balance. The change in Kiran was gradual but noticeable. He became calmer, more focused, and even more creative in his baking. His customers noticed his smile returning, and they often asked, "What's your secret, Kiran?" He would laugh and say, "I visit my garden every day, not just to relax but to remind myself that peace is always within reach." Years later, when people came to him for advice, he would share his story and say, "If you feel overwhelmed, find your garden. It doesn't have to be a real one. It could be a quiet corner, a few minutes of deep breathing, or even just sitting with your thoughts." Relaxation isn't about escaping, it's about reconnecting with yourself. Moral of the story: in the rush of life, it's easy to forget the importance of rest. Taking time to pause, breathe, and reflect not only calms the mind but also rejuvenates the soul. Relaxation isn't a sign of weakness, it's a source of strength that allows you to approach challenges with clarity